what's up guys? Just wanted to do a quick little tutorial here to show you how you can have music on your Twitch stream without it appearing on your VOD after you end your stream. So what you're going to want to do first is, this is using OBS Studio. You're going to want to have the latest version, which I believe is OBS Studio 26.1.1. What you'll want to do first is go to the settings tab here. You want to make sure that you're signed in to Twitch. So you're going to click Services, Twitch, and then you can click Connect Account. I'm already connected here. You'll go ahead, input your Twitch account information, and you'll log in, or else you won't get this next option that you need for this. After you're signed into your Twitch account, what you're going to want to do is click on the Output tab here, and under Streamin', it'll say Twitch VOD track. Now you want to make sure that's checked. By default, it'll select audio track 2, which is fine. You can just leave it on audio track 2. Once that is done, you're going to want to head and click apply and then click OK. So from there, you're going to find the audio source that your music is coming out of. So mine right here, as you can see, it's titled music. You'll want to go to your audio mixer right here, click the cogwheel for that music source, go to advanced audio properties, and then you'll see music right here. You go over and then you can select which tracks you want the music to appear on. So you'll want to unselect track 2 since that track is going to be the one that your VOD is going to use. So the live stream is using track 1, so that's selected, so your viewers will hear your music. But once your stream is over, that music will not appear on the VOD that saves to Twitch because you're going to unselect audio track 2, which the VOD is going to use. And once track 2 is unselected, you close out of that, and then there you go. It's pretty simple. It's just a quick explanation for you guys. I hope this helps. Just so you are aware, though, this isn't going to stop you from getting strikes as far as any DMCA on your Twitch. You still should not be playing copyrighted music. But if you are playing copyrighted music, this is a way to kind of maybe avoid getting that strike right now. But we all know eventually Twitch is going to start DMCAing people live while they're on stream. Right now, it's not so much a thing, so like you can kind of get away with this, but you should be using something such as Stream Beats, Monster Cat, Pretzel, anything like that will help you avoid copyright strikes. I personally do not play any copyrighted music on my stream, but I do not have the music play on my VOD. This way, if I want to go ahead and make clips later on, I won't have that music playing on my clips and stuff like that. So this is a quick and easy tutorial. If you guys do like the video, if you can drop a like, maybe subscribe to the YouTube channel, it's much appreciated. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.